Dear Bella.
Dear Bella.
Whew, I didn't think that was going to.
Dear my little lovely Bella.
I've been preparing it and I didn't expect that. Okay. Dear Bella, happy 4th birthday to you, sweetheart.
I had so much fun at your party where we painted and we had pizza, so I didn't have to cook anything.
My wish for you is
That you find so much joy and happiness and that you continue to make us all laugh. You and Yaya continue to be built-in best friends forever.
For you to continue to learn to be a great little sister, a great big sister, a great daughter.
And may Mark continue to learn from you.
I wish you to grow bigger and stronger and smarter and more kind and more beautiful and freak out a little bit less.
Hi, Bella. How old are you? 4. And what did we do for your party?
Yeah, we paint and we ate cake and we ate pizza and we played and we did puzzles.
What was your favorite part of your party?
Paint.
Painting? What did you paint?
An owl.
What color?
And put out circles. Black. Awesome, Mazan.
Just in time.
Okay, ready? You know what you want in your heart? Blow it out. I'll help you. 1, 2, 3.
I'm so bigger than you, right?
I love you very much, and I look forward to being able to celebrate many more birthdays with you.
My special wish is either this year or next year, we all go to Disney together.
Love you, Bella. Mwah.
I love you so much.
And blow a kiss. 1, 2, 3, blow a kiss. Marky, your turn. Give Marky a kiss on his cheeks.
Love you so much, Cookie. There. I love you so much, Marky. Because you're so cutie.
Dear Bella, happy 4th birthday.
Dear Bella, happy birthday, 4th birthday. Oh my goodness. What did I say after?
Happy 4th birthday.
Happy 4th birthday?
Yeah.
Dear Bella, happy 4th birthday. There you go. Also hold this. Oh. This side. This side. This is Dad's semen. Starta.
Esta, a la bot.
Robot.